Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Emily, the Petite Beauty blogger, and in today's video I'll be doing an eye look inspired by my mask. As masks are compulsory at the moment in a lot of places, I thought why not have a bit of fun and match some makeup to my mask. So I'm going to be recreating some of the patterns here around my eyes, and this is called Paisley. Here's the mask I'm going to create, and yeah, and my look today is fine-tuned so it doesn't transfer onto the back of my mask and it doesn't slip around, and you can check out that video, and I'm going to put the card up now and you can check that out if you're having struggles with your foundation slipping around. So I did go off camera, and I did actually just do this off camera because it's more intricate and obviously a bit trickier. I wanted to try it out first because if I do it on camera and go wrong, I've completely gone wrong and messed it up. And the red I used is this one here, which is Mad. For the shadow, I like to pack on the colour first, and then when I'm done I will go in with a fluffier blending brush to blend out the edges. So what I go in with is this more blending brush by Spectrum, which is the D06, and this is just going to help blend out those edges and help blend this top bit out onto our forehead. So for me, this is the hardest bit. I like to make sure I have that wing shape, and then everything after that I can just draw around it, which is what I want. So what I'm going to do is I've got this Maybelline waterproof lasting drama liquid liner. Liquid liners are my favourite, and I like this one because the applicator is very precise and can make really sharp lines. Right, that's first one. If you put my heart up to a heart rate machine, it's probably gone up about 10,000. So, and remember with this look, if you do go wrong, you can just go in with concealer to tidy up edges and then just go back in with your shadow. As you can tell, I did mess up that middle bit, so what's good is I can show you how I tidy up that edge. So I've got this little tiny, it's like a lip brush. This is the Spectrum A15, and I take a tiny bit of concealer. I literally use the tiniest amount because you don't need much, and plus I don't want to waste product. Slowly just go over it like that. There we go. Just get some more coverage on it because it's black. Now what I do is I let that dry ever so slightly to let it go tacky, and then it doesn't like move about, and then I'm going to cover it back up with some red. I'm going in with the Morphe M215 brush, and as you can see, it's this cute tiny weeny little eyeliner brush, sorry, and that is going to get us really intricate and really up to the line. So I'm going with that same Mad. So now I've completed that liner. As you can see on this side, I am going to do the same liner, but I'm going to do it on the inside. So this is another tricky part because it has to match up perfectly. So hope and pray I get it, and hope and pray I get it for you guys as well. Apologies, I did film this bit, but me being stupid, I accidentally filmed it out of shot, but all I did was the same liner, just on the inside. So as you can see, I did go off camera and I tidied it a lot. I feel like that's what sometimes you just have to do if you have shaky hands or whatever. So it's amazing what a bit of concealer and a shadow can do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to join those two lines up together with liner, and all I'm going to do is just draw some straight lines. So I've now done the lines. What I'm going to do is put just a dot on the end of the point. So in between each line we've just drawn, I'm going to do a dot of white with the NYX Epic Wear white liner. And as you can see on this side, I did like a little, I don't know, zigzag, because that is what's shown on the mask on that bit. I just had to see because I'm trying to do it one-handed, but as you can see there's little zigzags right there. So I'm going to try and recreate that on that inner by our brow there. So next up, before I put on any more liner, I am just going to do that bottom lash line with just a bit of red. Just like that, and just quickly with the white, I'm just going to do a tiny line on that inner corner. Right, so what I'm going to move on to now is, as you can see, there are little kind of like triangles around, so I'm going to replicate that on that side. So I have done them on the outer edge, and I did do it on the inner bit here, but I did it big going into little because I didn't want it coming all the way down. Just on the tip of all of those black triangles, I am just going to put a little tiny dot. And all I've got to do now to complete this look is go quickly put on a lash. And there we go. I've applied a lash, I've done my mascara, and that is it finished. I am obsessed. So here's a look with the mask on, and I think it looks so cool. Oh, I didn't think it was going to work so well, but I'm very happy that I pushed the boundaries. It's always good to do something that you are scared of, because it makes you better, and you'll constantly just be improving. There we go, there's the look and the video finished, and I'm very happy with it. Obviously I have many other masks, so if you'd like me to carry this on and do different looks with my different masks, then I'd be happy to. So comment down below, and as always, if you could follow me on Instagram at Petite Beauty Blogger, and like my pro Facebook page, which is facebook.com/MUA by Emily. And of course, as always, if you could like, comment and subscribe to help with the struggle. And if you do decide to do your own mask, then of course please tag me. I'd love to see them. I'd love to see your creations. And if you have any video ideas or video suggestions or looks or products you want me to try, then comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.